Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Friends, welcome again to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Now if you like our content, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel so that we reach more people going forward. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is a spiritual leader and the founder of the Art of Living Foundation, created in 1981. Now this foundation aims to relieve individual stress, societal problems and violence. For his service to humanity, he has received some of the highest awards of several countries including India, Peru, Colombia and Paraguay. In January 2016, he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan by the Government of India. Here, we take a look at one stock from his trust. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Advanced Enzyme Technologies Limited, which is available at 304.95. Now, the code for the company is ADVENZYMES. Now, Advanced Enzymes Technologies Limited is involved in the business of manufacturing and sale of enzymes. The company's geographical segments include within India and outside India. It provides solutions to industries such as human healthcare and nutrition, animal nutrition, baking, fruit and vegetable processing, brewing and malting, grain processing, protein modification, dairy processing, natural extraction, textile processing, leather processing, paper and pulp processing, biofuels, biomass processing and biocatalysts. Now if you were to look at the 1-year chart for the company, you would see that the stock has been a wealth destroyer. Other factor about this company is since IPO the stock did very well, but for the last 1.5 years the stock has been on a downward trend. The market cap of the company is 3,404.16 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The book value is 41.54236, which translates into a price to book ratio of 7.3407. The EPS is 6.5916, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 45.9215. Now this is very expensive, even though it is a bit cheaper compared to the industry PE of 52.41. The debt to equity is 0.2097, whereas the return on equity is 0.1561. The promoter holding here is good at 71.31%. Now, some of the factors to remember, friends, are just because Ravi Shankar holds it doesn't mean that this company is going to be an outperformer. So do your own research. And the other disclosure that we wanted to make was we hold this stock in our own portfolio at IPO prices. So thanks for watching and have a good day.